We're gonna experiment with this slime by putting some dye. I'm gonna do ice blue and you're gonna do?
I'm gonna do ice blue too.
So let's get to it. Turning ice blue.
Yeah, I like that colour.
It's kind of greeny, but I love green still.
Does it taste nice?
But I feel like I want it a bit more blue, so. I do want it a bit purpley. That would be nice.
Blue in.
It's getting a bit solid. It's really. I have no idea which one I'm gonna choose because I wasn't really happy what color it turned out. So you can always dye it. I can't choose from ice blue or violet. They are really pretty colors, so I want to do both. I decided to do purple. My friend Ella thought so.
It's starting to turn out a nice colour.
You like the colour?
Yeah, it's just
I got bluey on it, but that will make it a nice purple, wouldn't it? What do you think? Do you like these two?
Looking good.
Think what they would look like mixed together. I don't think anyone has done this. Is yours okay? I'm gonna just get all that orange out. All of it. Try not to eat it, I will, but I really like this.
it's such a lovely colour.
You can eat it, it's edible.
It's edible, but it's fun to play with. You might want to make it last. It's a lot of sugar. And this is the richest one we're just gonna.
You can't do that yet. It's so cute, you can make a parrot. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. This actually looks like poop. Why is it more brown? I want it a bit more purpley.